Hi, Joel Lightcatcher here, your quadcopter coach. And first, an apology. I did not get a video out last Tuesday. I have a good reason. The reason is my knee went south. I gotta tell you, it sucks. It's been going downhill for the last 6 months, and now I gotta get surgery tomorrow to fix my knee. It's that bad. Really sucks is I won't be able to fly for a few weeks. I did go and do a last-minute flight today at the field. I took my Hellbender out that I have modified. I got a video on that. I just put this new Joshua Bardwell F4 all-in-one flight controller in this, and the new Race Day Quads Mach V2 VTX with smart audio, and I gotta say the two of them together is amazing. I didn't have to do any tuning on this, just upped my rates a little, and this is amazing. Almost no oscillation. I even updated the beta flight on my old Gobi, and this did pretty well considering it was a nasty wind. Anyway, enough about that. I got a great video on this coming out. It's going to be a three-parter, and I think it'll be really helpful for people who want to see how do you upgrade and pull out the old guts and put in the new electronics without any fuss or muss. Anyway, I'm sporting this great new fashion accessory, not on my knee, as you can see, and hopefully I'll be able to walk in another few weeks, fly maybe in 4 weeks, and walk and do the walk of shame in maybe 2 months. Anyway, stay tuned. I'm still going to be stuck in my seat here, making great content for you. Please subscribe, and I will see you really soon. Soon, I'll see you in the air in a few weeks. Until then, stay tuned. I'm glad you're with me, and happy flying with good knees.